There was a time when I used to dream and cook biryani in the middle of the night and eat, but I don't dream anymore. Now it is the Queen Victoria who dreams. Middle of the night, she woke me. Okay, she kicked me and she said she wants to eat a brownie. As if I don't have a choice, as if I don't have a brain to think for myself, I started making the brownie. Making brownie is very easy. I've made it many times. So just take around 4 eggs and make sure that the eggs are at a room temperature. Whisk the egg, little bit of vanilla essence. In this, add around 225 grams of sugar or powdered sugar, whatever you have. Just mix along with the eggs. In this, we're going to add butter and chocolate. Around 60 grams of butter and around 200 grams of melt the chocolate. You can do that in a low settings in a microwave and add to the mixture. The eggs are at the room temperature, so the chocolate won't become solid again. Now mix all of them together. In this, we got to add walnuts, flour and some cocoa powder. I'm going to show you how to do that. Add cocoa powder, add flour, little bit of flour. I'm just going to add the walnuts with the flour and just mix it. They don't go and settle at the bottom. So flour, I'm going to add this last, but first let me mix this. So this is a foolproof method, you cannot go wrong. So just mix all of the ingredients well and your brownie mixture is all ready. Brownie with ice cream is something awesome. So now the walnuts in the last. Okay, add to this, mix it. Okay, so take a tray, just apply little butter and flour and pour this mixture into this. I love walnuts. Walnuts are my favorite in brownie. The more walnuts you add, the more I'll be in love with the brownie. Preheat the oven 180 degrees centigrade, for around 35-40 minutes and your brownie will be ready. It doesn't matter whose dream it is. Brownie itself is a dream. The chocolate brownie literally melts in your mouth. Along with ice cream or anything, vanilla, it is just awesome. But, look at the brownie. Gooey center. My God. Ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick.